सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् ज्ञानसम्बन्धमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us around the world at this moment. 499 places through Nityananda TV, 40 places two-way video conferencing having Nayana Diksha, in 243 cities in 31 countries around the world as per the statistics. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing. Nityananda Nagar, Tiruvannamalai, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Source Yoga, Los Angeles, Sharjah, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Nityananda Nagar, Hyderabad, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Toronto, Kailasam, Alvarpet, Chennai, Ohio, Prayag, Seattle, Chidambaram, San Jose, Madurai, Adayar, Chennai, Bangalore, North, Paris, Home Temple, Mananda, France, Kulim, Malaysia, Kathmandu, Nepal, Laspet, Pondicherry, Hyderabad, Sri, and Delta. And Delta from place. Okay, blessings. Gangama Circle, Bangalore, London, Kashi, Houston, San Diego, Tiruvalavai, Bangalore, Electronic City, Dubai, Tirukovilur, Hong Kong, Sirgali, Oman, Sivagangai, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Kathmandu, Nepal, Hyderabad, Sri, that's all, Nama. Kulim, Malaysia, I read out all the name. Now, whatever is shown, I read out. Kulim, Malaysia, Kathmandu, Nepal, Laspet, Pondicherry, Hyderabad, Sri. I can see now all you guys. We have some more cities in two-way video conferencing. We are just restarting those cities also. Please wait for a few seconds, few minutes. Alvarpet, Chennai, few seconds is also not wrong. If I say even few chanas, okay? It's Paris Kalighat, St. Louis Tirumala, Atlanta Ujjaini, and London Kashi, Singapore Singapuram, Devon UK, Vancouver Puri, Anna Nagar Chennai, what is next? Dakota Dunes, New York Varanasi, Monterrey Mexico, Charlotte Srisailam, Guadalupe Rameshwaram. That's it. Devon UK. That's it, ma. So now I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. My any other city? Not right? St. Louis Tirumala, yes. That's it. My any other city? I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. Looking back, socially, I am not interested in judging what happened in last 3 years, but spiritually I tell you, I have successfully created the foundation on which my Sangha is going to stand. Because, understand, my Sangha has to be built on rock, not on sand. It is going to be too tall. If it is going to be just few feet, it can stand on the sand. Because it is going to be too tall, few thousands of feet, it has to stand on the rock. I digged, found my rock on which my Sangha can stand. The hearts of the people which is radiating the four tattvas as satyas, integrity, authenticity and responsibility in enriching, that is the rock on which my Sangha stands tall. Three years, along with the war, 3 major achievements. People with these 4 tattvas forming Nityananda Sangha, Madurai Adinam and Mahanirvani Pita Mahamandaleshwar. Wow. Spiritually, we have achieved amazing things in these 3 years. We created the right foundation for whole Sangha to stand tall. All right. Today, 9th batch, Nirahara Samyama, first level, second day. 4th batch, Di Samyama, 14th day. 15th Inner Awakening and Ingenious, 14th day successfully. Austin, Panir Selvam, Tenmuri, Kavya, I accepted your Pada Puja. Blessings. I'll talk to you guys and bless you guys during Dial Davatar. And Laren Rovira, Riverside, California, I accepted your Pada Puja. I'll bless you during Dial Davatar. I tell you, honestly I tell you, with authenticity and integrity, only after the 4 tattvas have become our life, the air we breathe, Sangha is getting formed. Yesterday I was shocked when Bhakta came and told me, one Gurukul kid, Anandapriyan, Bhakta came and told me, after living around me for I think 8 or 10 years now, 8 or 10, 9 years, 9 years around me, he comes and tells me yesterday, Swamiji, I spoke to a Gurukul kid, in first 5 minutes he changed my life. No, I was amazed about 2 things. One, a Gurukul kid can enrich a senior Swami, and second, a senior Swami is ready to get enriched by a Gurukul kid. I felt so liberated. Please understand, I got liberated once more. Because continuously, the unconscious pattern, I came for Swamiji, but then you should be fulfilling my Anyakara. When I give my Anyakara, no, that is not practical. Anything which is trying to transform you, you destroy them. I came for Swamiji. I came for the sake of Swamiji. I came for the love of Swamiji. I came just to be with Swamiji. Alright? Then you should be raising yourself to the Swamiji's Anyakara. No. Okay, an enlightened master should not have an expectation about anybody. It is wrong. Why is he constantly having expectation and drilling us, driving, screaming at us? An enlightened master should be polite, humble, loving, peaceful, blessing. Anything which is about to expose your inauthenticity to you, you don't want them. And you know how to shut them off. All the spiritual knowledge has been used by many of these fellows to shut all the situations and persons exposing their inauthenticity to them. How many of you cognize you were playing this game? So anything which is going to expose your inauthenticity to you, you know how to shut them off by using your logic or a spiritual knowledge or ideas. Relax. I tell you, that is the worst cunningness. I was so happy, I tell you. So happy when he told me in 3 minutes or 5 minutes, I don't know whether 5 minutes. 5 minutes, Anandapriyan changed my life, Swamiji. And Bhakta is not telling inauthentically, he was excited about it. I could see the excitement in his eyes. Now that gave me the assurance he is going to practice it. He is going to live it. He is going to transform himself. He is not just going to leave it. He is serious about it. He is sincere about it. Actually, I did not give him any further guidance because he was so sincere. I didn't want to meddle up or mess up. I want to leave him to Moksha Anandapriyan itself. Now really, when you start listening to Nachiketa, you have no yama. You have no death. It was so beautiful. A Gurukul child can enlighten a senior Swami. One is capable, another one is receiving. One is capable of giving, another one is capable of receiving. Both are miracle. Listen. A Gurukul kid able to give, how miraculous it is. Same way a senior Swami able to receive is also miraculous. You don't know. Whatever exposes your inauthenticity to you, you use all your spiritual knowledge to shut that. Dhyan se suniye. Listen. I felt liberated because I know now we have given enough power to Satya which can guide itself by its own strength all of us. Dharmo rakshati rakshitaha. Give power to Satya. Don't be afraid to be exposed to your inauthenticities. Whoever is ready to stand naked in front of your inauthenticity, you are Naga. You are Nirvani. Only if you are ready to stand naked in front of your own inauthenticity, you are Nirvani. You belong to Nirvani Pita. You inherit the Sankhya Tattva of Kapila. Now it is my responsibility. I have to speak on the Sankhya philosophy. Kapila Sutras. Now we have a complete, a formal, official connection with all Shaddarshanas through Raghupati Yogi Patanjala and through Mahanirvani Akada, Sankhya and Vedanta, Kapila and Shankara, and through Jnana Sambandar and Sarvanya Pita, all the philosophies, the source of all the philosophies, directly from Mahadeva, the Vedic tradition, Shaiva Sampradaya. Let's come back to the tattvas. I tell you, only if you are ready to stand in front of your inauthenticity, naked, you are Naga, you are Nirvani. Whether your inauthenticity is exposed to you by a Gurukul kid or your Guru, I tell you, ability to face your inauthenticity constantly helps you to become authentic. It seems Bhakta went and started. In every meeting, I take over. Immediately Ananda Priyan said, no. You control, you don't take the responsibility. You control, but you don't take ownership. He said, that's it, I got the click, Swamiji. I got my root pattern. Thanks to Ananda Priyan for giving. Thanks to Bhakta for receiving. लगातार आपकी अश्रद्धा का सामना करने की क्षमता आपको और ज्यादा श्रद्धा की स्थिति में डालता है. Ability to face your inauthenticity constantly puts you in a more authentic state, more authentic space. I literally felt, wow, now Nityananda Sangha in US will grow exponentially. He will make people live authenticity. I tell you, human beings create Sangha. As I said, if the matter is moving in a high velocity, it attracts other matters around it. If a mass is moving, it will attract more mass towards it. If consciousness is moving, it will attract more consciousness towards it. If you are vibrating with these four tattvas, you will just attract people to vibrate in these four tattvas of pure consciousness. Each mass rotating in high speed creates a galaxy around it. Each consciousness rotating in high speed of this four tattva creates a loka around him. That is what is Indraloka, Chandraloka, Brahmaloka, Bhuloka, and all lokas. If you are purely radiating these four tattvas, you create Akshardham around you. All the souls who wants to radiate these four tattvas and live in the high space just get attracted to you, and you create a world around you. Not just in this matter world, Bhuloka, in the space, in a higher space. If you can create a blissful Sangha on the planet Earth, understand, you are already ready with a beautiful blissful Sangha in a highest space, Aksharadham. In the world of Kshara, if you create the Sangha with these highest principles, Tattvas and Satyas, in the world of Akshara, your Dham is ready. संगा का सृजन केवल मनुष्यों से होता है. Sangha is created only with human beings. Go just with the strength of your authenticity, nothing else. Decide the power of my conscious clearance. This integrity and authenticity and responsibility and ability to enrich is my only wealth. Go and sit there just with this only wealth. Guru Vak is enough. Out of that Guru Vak, I'll attract, create whatever auspicious things required, whether it's a Lakshmi or Saraswati or Kali, it'll happen. I tell you, that's a strength. First, enrich human beings. Human beings are the Sangha. संघ को लाभान्वित करने के लिए पहले मनुष्यों को लाभान्वित कीजिए. Really I wanted. Now it is time. Each one of you come up with your commitments. What do you want to commit? What do you want to do? Take up your responsibilities. I tell you, without taking up the responsibility and enriching, your old patterns will not die down. How much ever you sit and do completion. Because nothing new is forming. Only when the new is forming, without the old, the new being will be forming. Understand? Why I tell all the ashramites to take whatever is required, even vegetarian protein, and build new muscle, you know. When the new muscles are built with the new biomemory, only then the old will die. Old will not have place over you. Same way, do the work responsibly with this new thought pattern of English. With the four tattvas, only then the old patterns are going to die. The Swapurnatva will become Purnatva. You will achieve Purnatva. Otherwise, how many hours you sit in front of the mirror, it can be catharsis. Okay, you will complete with that pattern. But you are not going to be transformed. Completion of the pattern is not the transformation. Transformation is only when you build a new personality. So along with demolition of the old personality, completion, building the new personality should continue in the same speed. Let us have Shivaratri as a declaration day. By the Shivaratri, let everyone be clearly prepared. Think through and declaration. Same way, Krama Brahmacharya, you take up the same vows of sannyas, but you have the freedom to drop and get married. Naishtika Brahmacharya, you take the same vows, but you have no freedom to drop. If you have, as an extreme, somewhere if you have missed, You can have prayaschitta and stand up again. With sannyas, you can't even be in the space of missing. You can't have even the space of asampurti. Listen.